I'm at Dick's House of Sport in Victor, New York with Abby, a former patient from Oishei Children's Hospital. Abby, what's up? I'm Josh.
Have
a hug?
Yeah.
Good to see ya. How's it going?
Good.
Having fun out here? What you doing? You playing some football?
Yeah.
Yeah? You gonna play some catch?
Yeah.
When I look back to how this started, there you go, good catch. It's amazing to see how far things have come. That goes from my football career. I like your hat. Are you a big Bills fan or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. And my relationship with Oishei Children's Hospital. Let's see it. Let's see a celebration. High five. Love it. That's awesome.
Yeah.
It's so important for me to give back to the community that has supported me so much. You wanna play some golf now? Whoa. There you go, ready? Big wind up. Whew. You crushed that one.
Yeah.
Oh. And when I meet someone like Abby, that's a cool one. Does it fit?
Yeah.
Look good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Which one do you want to try on? I think I know which one you're going to pick. That's the one right there?
Yeah.
I remember why I play this game. Remember our handshake?
Yeah.
Remember it? And why I advocate for those kids. Their fight is something to root for. Good catch.